Cancer dies when you eat these 8 foods. Time to start eating them. Cancer is multifaceted and generally treated with big pharma products like chemical, radiation, and chemotherapy. What if there were food that naturally? These are the 8 foods that help get rid of cancer cells developing in our bodies. 1. The blueberry and raspberry effect. Blueberries and raspberries are plants that they are well known by their anti-cancer capabilities, especially when it comes to ovarian cancer. Phytochemicals are the reason why they have their dark hue and the secret of their effectiveness, which are proven to be great for cancer prevention. These berries help reduce the risk of different types of cancer, including mouth, ovarian, colon, liver, prostate, lung, skin, and breast. To reap the anti-cancer benefits, eat half to 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries daily. 2. Green tea. Tea is the best source of catechins in the human diet, and green tea contains about 3 times the quantity of catechins found in black tea. In laboratory studies, green tea has been shown to slow or completely prevent cancer development in colon, liver, breast, or prostate cells. Drink 3 to 4 cups of green tea daily to reap its anti-cancer benefits. You can even take green tea extract after consulting your doctor. 3. The tomato effect. According to recent Harvard research, there is up to 50% reduction in chances for prostate cancer in people who regularly eat cooked tomatoes. In addition, lycopene concentration increases when it is subjected to higher temperatures. That is why cooked tomatoes are very effective when it comes to stopping cancer growth. Eat 1 cup of sliced tomatoes on a daily basis to enjoy the maximum anti-cancer benefits. Also include tomato sauce, paste, and juice in your diet. 4. Dark chocolate. For many people, this is almost unbelievable. Dark chocolate is an incredibly tasty dessert, which also happens to be incredibly healthy to eat. It is good for your heart condition, your overall happiness, and also for fighting cancer cells. 5. Turmeric. This plant has various health benefits and it is well known by the effectiveness in fat reduction. Turmeric is also used as preventive measure against cancer. It seems to be able to kill cancer cells and prevent more from growing. It has the best effect on breast cancer, bowel cancer, stomach cancer, and skin cancer cells. 6. Ginger. Ginger also helps reduce the risk of various types of cancers. Its antioxidant properties inhibits the growth of cancerous cells. Drink 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea daily and include gingers in your cooking. If you prefer to take a supplement, always consult your doctor first. 7. Garlic. For anti-cancer benefits, raw and cooked garlic are more effective than garlic supplement. So start eating garlic to prevent this deadly disease. 8. Walnut. Another superfood that reduces the risk of cancer is walnut. A 2012 American Institute for Cancer Research study shows that walnut help prevent breast cancer in animals. They can also reduce the risk of prostate and skin cancer. Eat 1 ounce of walnut daily to reap the anti-cancer benefits. You can add walnut to salads, soups or smoothies. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Bye.